Welcome to a brief demo of the CyCognito platform, the only external attack surface management solution that automates and operationalizes the entire attack surface protection lifecycle, saving you time and money while improving your security posture. Here's the actual anonymized data from a multinational conglomerate that uses the CyCognito platform to protect over 600,000 assets in its extensive attack surface. The company has 140 business units in over 100 countries and continues to grow through acquisition. It relies on the CyCognito platform to automatically and continuously identify, classify, and test all of their external-facing IT assets, whether they are owned assets located on premises or in subsidiary environments, or hosted in the cloud. Assets are defined as web applications, IP addresses, domain names, and digital certificates. The business context for each discovered asset is automatically attributed to an organization, environment, business unit, or platform. With this automatic attribution, you can make better, more informed security decisions and save thousands of hours of tedious work. Let's look at a particular asset to understand what CyCognito has discovered about it. This asset is a Microsoft IIS server. The platform automatically attributed it to org17 and graded it an F because of its issues and context. An issue in the platform is a method for an attacker to exploit an asset. On any asset, you can see the full details collected during the discovery process, like open ports, supported domains, and the services running on it. At the far right, we see the security overview, which gives a high-level summary of the asset status calculated by the CyCognito platform. You can see this server has 6 identified issues, 4 of them severe. The platform also provides the complete discovery path to each asset, which is hugely beneficial for tracking attribution and understanding how previously unknown assets were identified. You can see each step used to identify and automatically assign the asset to a particular organization. In this example, the platform starts with the customer's primary URL and finds a subdomain via web crawling and an IP address via DNS lookups. After discovering assets, the CyCognito platform does extensive active security testing to identify issues that go far beyond vulnerability scanner detections like CVEs. It uncovers hidden risks that might be identified by penetration testers, if only they were looking in the right spot. One of the critical issues is Bluekeep, a well-known security vulnerability discovered in Microsoft's remote desktop protocol. It's moderately difficult for attackers to exploit, but it's critical to fix. The responsible team won't have to research the details or the remediation steps because the platform provides detailed guidance with links to key references. As the security overview highlighted, this is an attractive asset for an attacker. And the CyCognito platform makes it easy for you to understand how attackers can get to it by showing you all its issues in context with one another. The RDP issue alone gives attackers access to the network, and the combination of the other exposures gives attackers even greater capability of perpetuating attacks under the guise of operating within the company. To protect this asset from attack, you can create tickets to begin the remediation process directly from this view using pre-built integrations with ticketing systems. We've looked at some of the issues in this attack surface in the context of a particular asset. You can also analyze your attack surface from the viewpoint of all of its issues. Here is an efficient way to group issues to examine abandoned assets, digital certificate status, and security hygiene issues that the CyCognito platform has identified from its automated testing. You can also use the dashboards, both pre-built and custom, to analyze assets and issues in further detail. As an example, let's take a look at the Cloud Assets dashboard. We can quickly see where our cloud adoption is, and because the platform normalizes the view, we can easily evaluate our risk across the different cloud providers. And this is true despite variations in how security is implemented in the different services, such as AWS and Google Cloud. This chart provides you a way to compare the risk postures of different cloud services you're running without diving into the security configuration console of each. We can also see and track how each organizational group or subsidiary is managing its cloud environments. It's important to note that CyCognito's role-based and team-based access control allows you to give each team or subsidiary in the organization visibility and control of only their own data. When you're ready to develop a remediation strategy, the CyCognito platform offers a remediation planner for assessing security posture improvement plans. You define the scope of your plan, for example, remediating all critical issues on web applications or raising the security grade on all assets rated F up to a C. You can do this for the organization as a whole or by subsidiary or business unit. The platform quickly provides you with a plan that encompasses all of the affected assets and issues that must be resolved to achieve your goals. Finally, let's take a look at how you can integrate the CyCognito platform into your existing workflows. In addition to an API, the platform includes a library of integrations and pre-built and customizable recipes, so you can orchestrate and automate vulnerability and risk management processes across products, enriching them with data from the CyCognito platform, including organizational attribution, issue evidence, and remediation advice. Connections to these integrations take minutes. Here's a workflow that provides a closed-loop process for asset management and incident response. When a new asset is created in the CyCognito platform, a trigger event creates a new asset in ServiceNow's CMDB. If the asset's security grade is an F, it creates an incident investigation in ServiceNow and sends a Slack message to the issue owners while creating a remediation issue in Jira. When the issue has been fixed, the CyCognito platform rescans the asset for validation and closes the ticket status. This process improves team communication and decreases the time to repair. We hope you've enjoyed this preview of how the CyCognito platform continuously and automatically discovers, classifies, prioritizes, and tests your extended IT ecosystem so you can efficiently and effectively improve your security posture. These capabilities, combined with integrations for closed-loop workflows, help you streamline the protection of your attack surface. For a more in-depth demonstration or conversation about how the CyCognito platform can help you gain the advantage over attackers, visit CyCognito.com.